how to cut a shape out of another shape in Photoshop. So I have my canvas already set up here. I have a dark background on the canvas. So I'm just gonna, I have my rectangle tool selected. I'm just gonna draw a rectangle. Now I'm gonna draw, I'll choose another shape now, just custom shape. I have an arrow selected, and I'm gonna change the fill color of the arrow to something different so you can see it. The easiest ways to remove the arrow from the blue background is just hold both, make sure control select both layers, go to layer, go all the way down to combine shapes and subtract front from shape. You can see there now it has taken away, when I turn off the background you can see it has taken the arrow away from the green rectangle. So it's easy as that to take away shapes from other shapes. There's other more complicated ways using layer masks, but if this is purely what you're looking for, then this is the easiest way to do it.